Hello everyone, welcome back again to Excellent Solutions, a guide to score 300 plus in Jamb. My name is Musa Hashimu Umar and we are continuing with number based under mathematics. And our today's question is question 41 downward. So this question 41 says, if 2257 is the result of subtracting 4577 from 7056 in base n, find n. So this is the same as saying 7056 minus 4577 equals to 2257. They are all in base n. So this is the same as saying 7 times n plus 0 times n plus 5 times n plus 6 times n. This power 0, 1, 2, 3, then minus, we open bracket, 4 times n plus 5 times n plus 7 times n plus 7 times n. We give this power 0, 1, 2, 3. So they are all equals to, this is 2 times n plus 2 times n plus 5 times n plus 7 times n. This power 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we multiply this, we have 7n cubed, then plus 0 times n square is 0, so we neglect that. Then plus 5 times n, we have 5n, plus 6 times n power 0 is 6, so we have 6. Then minus, here we have 4 times n cubed, we have 4n cubed, plus 5n square minus 7n, then plus 7 times n power 0 is 7, so this is equals to 2n cubed, then plus 2 times n square, we have 2n square, plus this is 5n, then plus this is the same as 7. So we come here, we now open this bracket, we have 7n cubed plus 5n plus 6, then this is the same as minus 4n cubed minus 5n square minus 7n. Okay, this now becomes plus. Sorry, this is plus. So, okay, minus 7n, then minus 7, then equals to 2n cubed plus 2n square plus 5n plus 7. So when we come here, this is the same as 7n minus 4n, we have 3n cubed, then minus, this is the same as 5n square, then, okay, 5n, then this plus 5n minus 7n, we have minus 2n. Then this is the same as plus 6 minus 7, we have minus 1, is equal to 2n cubed plus 2n square plus 5n plus 7. So here we collect like time here again. This is the same as 3n cubed minus, if this one comes here, we have 2n cubed. Then this is minus 5n square. If this one cross here, we have minus 2n square. Then we have minus, this is 2n. If that one crosses, minus 2n, this minus 5n, we can say equals to 7. If this one cross there, it becomes 1 plus 1. So 3n cubed minus 2n cubed, we have n cubed, then minus, this is the same as 7n square, then minus, this is the same as 7n, then equals to 8. So this one we can have a common factor. This is the same as saying n open bracket, n square minus 7n, then minus 7 is equal to 8. So in this case, it's either n is equal to 8 or this n square minus 7n minus 7 is equal to 1. So therefore we can say n is either equal to 8 or n square minus 7n minus 7 equals to 1. So if we take this as saying, let's prove whether n is equal to 8. So if n is equal to 8, we have if n equals to 8 implies for this one we have 8 square minus 7 bracket n, then minus this is 7 equals to 1. And this is, if we look at this one, is the same as having n 8 square is 64 minus 7 times 8 is 56, then minus 7, and let's see, is equal to 1. So 64 minus 56, we have 8. 8 minus 7, we have 1. So therefore 1 equals to 1. So in this case, n is equal to 8 as proven. So if we look at our option D, n is equal to 8, the answer is option D. Question 42 says, if 125 base x is equal to 20 base 10, find x. So this is the same as saying 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 5 times x, this power 0, power 1, power 2 is equal to, this is now 20. So if we come here, this is the same as x squared plus 2x, then plus this is the same as 5 is equal to 20. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 5 minus 20 equal to 0. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So for this case, this has now turned into quadratic equation. So this is the same as saying x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. So this is the same as having x open bracket x plus 5, then minus 3 open bracket x plus 5 also equal to 0. So we have a common factor here. We have x plus 5 open bracket, this is the same as x minus 3 equal to 0. So either x plus 5 is equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 0. So we imply x equals to minus 5, or we have x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies x equal to positive 3. So in this case, a base cannot be negative, so therefore our answer is 3. That is x equal to 3. And if we look at our option C, we have 3. The answer is C. Question 43 says, what is the answer when 2434 base 6 is divided by 42 base 6? So this is the same as saying 22 times 6 plus 4 times 6 plus 3 times 6 plus 4 times 6. This is power 0, power 1, 2, power 3. So divided by, this is 4 times 6 plus 2 times 6, power 0, power 1. So this is the same as 2 times 6 power 3 is 216 plus 4 times 6 square is 36 plus 3 times 6 plus 4 times 6 power 0 is 1 divided by 4 times 6 plus 2 times 1. 6 power 0 is equal to 1. So this is the same as 2 times 2 16, we have 432 plus 144 plus 3 times 8 is 18 plus 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 24 plus 2. So this will give us 432 plus 144 plus 18 plus 4, we have 598 divided by 26. If we divide 598 by 26, we are going to have 23 base 10. So the next is to convert this 23 in base 10 to a number in base 6. And this now gives us, we have 23 divided by 6. 23 divided by 6, we have 6 in 23, we have 3, remainder 5. 3 divided by 6, we have 0, remainder 3. So this is now the same as having 35 base 6. If we look at our options, in option D, we have 35 base 6. The answer is D. Question 44 says, if 2 base 9 times open bracket y3 plus bracket base 9 is equal to 3 base 5 times bracket open y3 plus bracket base 5, find the value of y. So this is the same as saying 2 times 9, then multiply by bracket open y times 9, then plus 3 times 9. This power 0, this power 1, this also have power 0. So it's equal to 3 times 5 power 0, then multiply by bracket open y times 5 power 1 plus 3 times 5 power 0. So this is the same as 9 power 0 is 1, 2 times 1 we have 2, then bracket open, this is multiplication. 9 times y we have 9y, then plus 3, 9 power 0 is 1, 3 times 1 we have 3, then equals to 5 power 0 is 1, 1 times 3 we have 3, then bracket open, this is 5y, then plus 5 power 0 is 1, 1 times 3 we have 3. So this 2 times 9 we have 18y, then plus 2 times 3 we have 6, equal to 3 times 5y we have 15y, then plus 3 times 3 we have 9. So collecting like time here, we are going to have 18y minus 15y is equal to 9. If this cross here, minus 6. So 3y equals to 9 minus 6, we have 3. So dividing 2 by 3, we have y equals to 3 over 3, we have 1. If we look at our options, in option A we have 1, the answer is A. Question 45 says, if 1p03 base 4 is equal to 115 base 10, find p. So this is the same as having 1 times the base is 4 plus p times 4 plus 0 times 4 plus 3 times 4. Power 0, 1, 2, 3 is now equals to 115 base 10. So this is 4 power 3 is 64. So this is the same as having 64 plus 4 square is 16. 16 times 3 we have 16p. Then plus 0. Then plus this is 3 times 1, which is 3, equals to 115 base 10. So 64 plus 3 we have 67 base 10 plus 16p base 10 is equals to 115 base 10. So we have 16 p base 10 is equals to 115 base 10 minus 67 base 10. So 16p base 10 is equals to 48 base 10, and dividing both sides by 16 base 10, this divided by 16 base 10, 16 go, we have p is now equals to, p base 10 equals to 48 divided by 16, we have 3 base 10. Therefore, p is equal to 3. If we look at our options, in option A we have 3, The answer is A. Question 46 says, in the equation below, solve for x if all the numbers are in base 2. That is 11 over x, or 1 over x is equals to 1000 over x plus 101. So this is the same as saying 11 over x equals to 1000 divided by x plus 101. So we cross multiply here. We have 100x equals to 11x plus, if we multiply 11 times 101, we have 1111. So if we now collect like time, we are having 1000x base 2, or if we in base 2, then minus 11x base 2 is equals to 1111. So for this operation, this is the same as saying 1000, then x in base 2 minus 11x also in base 2. So for this one, since the operation is in base 2, one thing that we need to do is that we cannot subtract 1 from 0. So we borrow from here where we have a number. So this is the same as, each one here is the same as 2. So we borrow this one here, since it is in base 2, it's the same as adding 2 here. So when we borrow from here, this one is now gone. So it's the same as we are adding 2 here. Then here, if we borrow 1, 2 from here, it's the same as putting 2 here, and we make this one to become 1, since we borrow 1 from this base 2. And here also, if we borrow 1 from this 2, is the same as adding 1 here, and we add 2 here, since the operation is in base 2. So 2 plus 0 is 2, minus, since we are subtracting 2 minus 1, we have 1x also in base 2. 1 plus 0 is 1, minus 1 we have 0. Then this 1 plus 0 is 1, minus nothing we have 1. So this one is equals to 101x base 2. So we can say this, therefore 101x base 2 is the same as having 1111 base 2. All of this one is going with base 2. So if we are looking for x, we now divide both sides by 101, dividing here by 101 in base 2, this one also in base 2. Therefore, x equals to 1111 divided by 101 is the same as 11 base 2. So if we look at our option, this is the same as option D. We have 111. X base 2 equals to 11 base 2. So the answer is D. Question 47 says, the currency used in a country is called Mathematic M and is of base 7. A lady in that country bought 4 bags of rice at M56 per bag and 3 tins of milk at M4 per tin. What is the total cost of items she bought? So this one we can say, we look at the cost of rice. So we have cost of rice. Since it is 4 bags of rice at M56, is the same as having 4 times M56, which is the same as, which is in base 7. So this is the same as M224 base 7. 56 times 4 is 224. Then cost of milk is equals to 3 tins of milk. This is the same as 3 times the cost is 4. So 3 times M4, which is equals to M12 base 7. And we come to add the total cost. So total cost of items is equals to M224 base 7 plus 12 base 7. So this is the same as having 224 plus 12, we have 236 base 7. If we look at our options, in option A we have 236 base 7. The answer is A. Question 48 says, a trader in a country where their currency is called money, capital M, using capital M, is in base 5, bought 103 base 5 oranges at M14 base 5 each. If he sold the oranges at M24 base 5 each, what will be his gain? So here we look at this cost that he bought. So cost price is equals to, so since he bought 103 base 5 times, he bought 103 orange at M14 base 5, M14 base 5, this will now 103 times 14, we have 2002 base 5. So he sold them, then selling price is equals to, so since he sold oranges at M24, so he now sold them as 103 base 5 oranges multiplied by the selling price M24 base 5. So if we multiply 103 times 24, this will give us 3032 base 5. So then if we look at his gain, profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. So this is the same as having the selling price is 32 base 5 minus the cost price 2002 base 5. So if we subtract 2002 from 3002, we are going to have 1030 base 5. So if we look at our options, in option D, we have 1030 base 5. The answer is D. So if you enjoy watching this video, kindly give us a like in our video, share this video with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for viewing. Till we see on the next topic.